Look closely. That's not water coming out of the truck. It's a bright red liquid spraying along both sides of a mountain road. The green plants instantly turned red. What's going on? It's part of wildfire prevention. That red liquid is a fire retardant, one of the best tools firefighters use to stop fires from spreading. Here's how it works. The retardant contains phosphates. When heated, they release water vapor, which lowers oxygen levels in the area, making it harder for anything to burn. In tests, treated wood chips just give off a little smoke. Untreated ones burn up completely. So why is it red? It's dyed with iron oxide, basically rust, so firefighters can easily see where it's already been sprayed, whether from the ground or the air. These red lines act like invisible fire breaks. Trucks are used where roads go, but in rough terrain, planes drop the retardant from above, covering ridges and forest lines. And no, it's not toxic to people or animals. Modern fire retardants are designed to be safe for the environment, though crews avoid spraying directly